Hello and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Today is Monday, it's Monday morning, and we're at the start of another trading week. In fact, it's the last week in May. I don't know if May has been all that great. There's been 2 weeks in May that the stock market just didn't do anything. This guy's confused. The market, I guess he's either having an argument with his girlfriend or he's talking about the market. The market has no direction, so he is, well, if he's not confused, I certainly am. Lack of direction for the market. Well, let's see where we're at. Let's get started. Lots of work. Well, Friday was not all that spiffy. Looks like the S&P and the Nasdaq both ended down. Lots of red with the big boys. Financial stocks seem to do it well. Healthcare for the week. Energy not doing so hot for the week. So I'm going to put my bets on financial stocks. And energy. Investing.com had a good summary article every morning. I love to read it because it gets me started. Belarus forced a jet to land, a commercial plane to land with a critic on board. It was against the International Air Transportation Association. Well, that's who's calling for an investigation. And apparently it was against International Aviation Agreement. Stocks are set to open higher. Virgin Galactic, I think it's in trouble. Bitcoin bouncing around, but hey, a lot of people think it's in a bubble. And crude gains. Last week, Bitcoin tumbled at least 50% from this peak in March. Mark Cuban always got something to say. Said that it's the great unwind. Other cryptos are down as well. Bitcoin value cut in half. There's going to be some regulations on Bitcoin. The government's going to have to get their hand in this because right now the government's not taking any of the pieces. Yeah, regulations definitely coming. Housing prices still possibly in a bubble. Crypto, I think, is in a bubble. And stocks are not reacting correctly. Last week, they talked about not ending the buyback, and the stock market just can continue on. People are not going back to work. Our job numbers, I don't believe, are reacting all that well. So things just not, it's confusing. Like the guy on the first part of this video. He's confused, I'm confused. Things are just not reacting the way things are I think it should be reacting. Looking at TradingView, seems like the major indices are looking to be green this way. There's the rut. You see all this indecision here? You got like that kind of situation there. That means things are indecisive. This is the daily. And even in 2 hours, it's not showing, there's a little bit of rise over the last 8 hours, but, well, I think the day could go in either way. Definitely, either way. I have a Discord chat where you can ask lots of questions and engage. And I think engaging will make you a better trader, especially if you're a beginner trader. Start engaging, asking questions, start an argument. By discussing this and arguing your point of view, you will become a better trader quickly. So this Discord chat is a place to ask those questions and start an argument. Anyway, this is I have a database of 100, well, over 180, but about 200, 220 stocks that I know and love, stocks that I know the names of, and I run a routine against them to try to get the signals, the RSI, the MACD, and stochastics. This is for when the zigzag changes. Sometimes I'd like to know when a zigzag has changed direction for certain stocks. And this is the stocks that are trading above or below their 50, which sometimes indicates that, they're in an uptrend or a downtrend. If I'm looking things for trade, this sometimes helps. Like BA. It says it's above its 50. Let's see if it's in an uptrend. BA. Remember, now we have to switch back to our daily because I use a daily and a weekly. Daily and a weekly time frame to trade swing trade. And when you do swing trading, you usually do them in a higher time frames. But you can swing trade in any time frame. In fact, if I'm doing day trading, I like to use the 2 hour. Anyway, Boeing does seem to be in a little uptrend. And will it continue? The MACD says yes, it should go. Stochastic RSI says yeah, we're in an up. We're going up, moving on up, and RSI is going almost to the overbought position, so be careful there. But remember, once it hits that, it could stay there for quite some time. That's the bad thing about RSI. RSI give you your overbought and oversold. This is traditional, by the way. A lot of other people use it just when the RSI is above the 50. That means it's an uptrend. That's the more modern way. But I use it to kind of just see where the transitions. That's what I'm using it for, to find the transitions. There's one there. Let's see if we have one right there. Well, there's a little one. I use the RSI to locate regime change. Anyway, let's go take a look at a couple of these here. JD.com. It's not been good to me. Pepsi, Coca-Cola, and Oracle. We're not going to do Coca-Cola, but I'm already in. I have a position in my IRA in Coca-Cola. And I think I looked at AMZN and HRC. Remember now, I oftentimes put these charts out there several hours before this video. This is JD.com, and this has always been a high flyer, but lately, since January, it's been going down. And look, the swings have always been toward the downside. So are we going to get a downward swing again? If you're just looking at pictures and lines, yeah. Here's your indicators. Stochastic is RSI is and it's oversold. It's going to be overbought position. Overbought for RSI. The signal that we see on my sheet was just a little late because I require an algorithmic zigzag to switch before I'll take a signal. So in my algorithm, my zigzag did not switch, even though it looked like it switched here several days before. So I think the signal that I got on my sheet was a little late, and I think you should be looking to maybe short. So JD, I just would not jump on this one as an RSI buy. So when you do anything like this, you have to do some analysis. When you get a sheet and this one, chart-wise, appears to be late. Oracle, we have an MACD buys, and it's right here. It's a little below, so yeah, I like them a little deeper though. In the past, those signals have been really good. Look, signal here, good. Now you got one here. Your RSI, you had your transition a few bars back, and stochastics a few bars back. Are you too late for the MACD? I don't think so. I think this is going to be an okay. Oracle, buy. Pepsi and Coca-Cola probably are the same. I didn't look at Coca-Cola, but I'm doing okay in it. And I just feel a little close to the zero, and so I'm not jumping on this one. This would have been a good one here, and a good one back here. So if you trust your system, you could take it. The other two indicators, the RSI is in its overbought and almost overbought for the stochastic RSI. So you just take it. This is not for me. The MACD, these I like them deeper. Amazon, zigzag, beautiful, knows what it's doing. Now it doesn't know what it's doing. Looked like it was going up. Now it looks like it's going down. Stochastics, seems like it's in its overbought condition. The MACD back here, that would have been a good one. Well, I'm going to watch this and wait to buy. Buy about here. If it goes down, stochastic RSI says it just might. Lots of indecision here, or noise. Stochastic RSI says it goes short, maybe. The MACD says we're long, and so does the RSI. And my algorithm says it's short. So maybe not. There's a lot of noise. So, not a lot to trading today. That's okay. So my plan today is to take my wife to the doctor and come back and see what's happening around 11 o'clock, and then make another plan and take some action between 2 and 4 o'clock today. That's my plan. I'm going to let the morning ride out, especially a Monday. I'm not going to be jumping in. I'm just going to watch this thing, and I'm going to start. I want to come back from my appointment, and maybe lunch. I'm going to look at the day again. So that's my plan. I'm a watcher this morning on my cell phone, and hopefully a small player. By the way, I don't have a lot of trades out there. I'm in cash in many ways. I only have a few trades. I don't know what you're going to do, but make your plan, and I hope you have some good trading today. Please like and subscribe. Happy trading. Again, make that plan. Good luck.